Malcesine is a picturesque town located on the eastern shore of Lake Garda in northern Italy. Its charming beauty, historical landmarks, and natural wonders make it a popular destination for tourists from all around the world. The town is renowned for its medieval Scaliger Castle, perched atop a rocky hill, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Visitors can explore its ancient halls and learn about the region's fascinating history. Malcesine's enchanting streets are lined with traditional Italian architecture, vibrant cafes, and local boutiques, creating a delightful atmosphere for leisurely strolls. The lakeside promenade provides a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the stunning sunsets over the tranquil waters of Lake Garda. The lake itself is a paradise for water sports enthusiasts, offering sailing, windsurfing, and kitesurfing opportunities. Nature lovers can take advantage of the cable car ride to Mount Baldo, also known as the Garden of Europe, where hiking and biking trails lead through breathtaking alpine landscapes. Malcesine hosts various cultural events and festivals throughout the year, showcasing local traditions, arts, and cuisine. The town's gastronomy is a feast for the senses, with an abundance of fresh seafood, olive oil, and wines from the surrounding vineyards. For history buffs, a visit to the Museo del Castello and Palazzo dei Capitani is a must. These museums offer insights into the town's historical significance and the lives of the people who once inhabited the region. During the summer months, Malcesine comes alive with a lively and festive ambience, attracting tourists seeking relaxation and adventure alike. However, even in the quieter seasons, the town maintains its charm, offering a more intimate experience of its beauty. In conclusion, Malcesine is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends history, nature, and modernity. Whether one seeks to explore historical landmarks, enjoy water sports, or simply immerse themselves in the tranquil beauty of Lake Garda, Malcesine has something special to offer every traveler.